Alright, this is the installation of a pneumatic support for Model 3 Performance 2018 model. There's the OEM ones right here. You gotta pop these off. There's little retainer clips on them, and in order to that keep them in place. I've already removed one from here, but there's another one down here. You can use a screwdriver like this to pop them off. I'm replacing them with these avionics pneumatic supports. They claim to be able to, when you pop the trunk, it'll pop them fully open. I'm experiencing an issue right now with due to the age of my car being over 100,000 miles. The trunk does not want to stay up. I can get a little support bar made out of a broom. Example of this is squeaks. They're squeaking. See, it doesn't. You open it up. See, it just falls down. So let's see. I never tried these new ones. Let's see if it actually work. This is the support broom in order to keep this open. So don't fall on your head. So let's get at it. There's no instructions that come with this doing it. I didn't see it in my box, so. Let's try this. Sorry about that. Got one off. Clip it off a little bit. Pretty grease and dirt. The new ones already have lube in them. Pop the other ones, little retainer clips on here. Put the retainer clips in. There, hold it. Put that in. Retainer clip in. Put that one's in. Let's do the same for the other side.